Hey everybody, this is Leann Forst from leannforst.com, holistic health coach and certified essential oils coach. And today I want to tell you about one of my favorite oils called Ylang Ylang. Okay, so if you haven't tried Ylang Ylang lately, you should. It is a beautiful aroma that helps with emotional wellness, balancing stress, and easing anxiety or anxious feelings. And it's used a lot in perfumes, so that should give you an idea of how great it smells. But it also helps to lessen tension and stress. And so that's why I like to use Ylang Ylang. It's a lot of people don't realize that for hair care, you can use Ylang Ylang in your conditioner. Just put a few drops in your hair conditioner, and it helps to nourish your hair as well as putting in your skincare to help to nourish your skin. And so it's a floral scent. It's very calming. And when taken internally, you can actually take this oil internally because it's certified pure and tested grade, which all doTERRA oils are. And so when you take it internally in a veggie capsule, just 2 to 3 drops in a veggie capsule, then it also provides antioxidant support. So you could take this one internally, you can diffuse it, or you can even roll it on topically on your pulse points, the back of your neck, on your wrist, inside of your wrist, or right above your collarbone where your lymphatic system is. I also like to use it as steam facial or even in an Epsom salt bath. So it's very calming and one of those oils that you just need to have on hand for when you need a little bit of emotional wellness. So if you know of anybody that can benefit from this information, please share. And by the way, I have a free ebook down below this video. And thanks for listening.